Driving a train is very easy. I will teach you the basics. Okay, all set. Push the throttle gently. That is very good. Now keep going and reach a speed of minimum. Nicely done. I will take it from here.
Train number 12655 Duronto Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Humsafar Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Gatiman Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind 5 AC double-decker Superfast Express is scheduled. Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, train number 12655 Palace on Wheels Special Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Goods Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Shatabdi Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 165 Goods Express is scheduled to depart from
याराவது ஏற்பட்டுங்கப்பா ரே कोई उनकी मदद करो ना
Can somebody help her?
Your kind attention please. Train number 2655 AC double-decker Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number
There is a
1,
massive track
2,
maintenance work going
6,
on ahead.
5, AC
Please slow down
double-decker
and
superfast
follow the
express
updated speed
is
limit.
scheduled to depart from platform number 3. Passengers, your kind attention please.
Karthik, have you reached?
No, I am still on my way.
It's too late. The interview has already started. Rajiv is talking to the press.
Did you know that the passenger was Minister's relative? I am just finding out the news from you. How did you decide you needed to take that risky call? Actually, my partner Karthik was strongly against it. But in my heart, I knew I had to do the right thing. Things could have gone very wrong though. I made a decision that even if this was going to get me fired, I should do the right thing. How do you feel that the woman is naming her newborn son Rajiv in your honor? Well, all I can say is I'm touched by her gesture. I wish the mother and child well. Thanks.
Stop mentioning that I
Train
guess.
number
First
1,
impressions
2,
matter.
6,
Hi, I'm
5,
Kavita.
5,
I'm the loco engineer.
Gatiman Express
Karthik,
is scheduled
Satyada sir
to depart
informed me you are on the
from
team. Is there
platform
anything I need to know
number
about the
7.
mission today?
We are performing the final trials of the new
Passengers,
loco developed
your
indigenously
kind
in
attention
Banaras.
please.
If
Train
today's test
number
goes well, we
1,
may end up breaking the
2,
old speed record.
6, 5,
What is the current
5.
record?
Palace
The
on
current speed
Wheels
record is
Special Express
206
is
kilometers per hour in
scheduled
60
to depart
seconds.
from
We have to break that
platform
today.
number
That sounds very
7.
challenging.
Yes, but we are positive.
Passengers,
Look,
your kind
Satyada sir
attention
has come.
please.
Let's get
Train
into the
number
loco.
1, 2, 6, 5, 5.
The route
Deccan
is cleared
Odyssey
for
Special
all
Express
speed
is
limits are
scheduled
disciplined.
to depart from platform number
Our goal is to break
7.
the speed record in 45 seconds.
Passengers, your kind attention please.
Kavita,
Train number
when I tell you
1,
start the
2,
countdown.
6, 5, 5.
Karthik,
Deccan
as
Odyssey
soon as the
Special
timer
Express
starts,
is
push the
scheduled
throttle to
to
full.
depart from platform number
Are you both
7.
ready? On my countdown.
Passengers, your kind attention please.
2,
Train number
1,
1,
start.
2, 6, 5, 5. Toronto Express is scheduled